Now, our education, our future. Currently, second current 4:18. Mu thầy thiếu các cật, mu thầy thiếu các lô viên mu lô thiếu chú các cật rồi về. Mu thầy thiếu chú chống chặt khát na đinh à hiền, mu lô thiếu vang chú tuần sọ na đinh à hiền. Visionary youth, seeing the unseen. Ahung lô lai thiếu mu chú, Jesus we call it a visionary youth. If what is to hear now. Here's a two natural our society is society din mo hilong si unta where at the lowest ebb anim pena yung lai ta o hin his lai ta su itha na diu pen su ipiham ta le pathin tai lo su knowledge education knowledge is our power as he first priority hi ngai si and nang lo na convince ngai ke yo convince ngai tu nya ko jo ha penam ta le people who are knowledgeable. Till he ho. I will head na ni ho too. When you know your rights, then you will have the strength. Tu niya naga ho, naga lang kay ho, ni lang kay ho, they na sweep home tele. They know their rights. They are more knowledgeable than us. Na, iho sama ahead now. Ha jet plus ahead now so amu chin sa no. Head na kitiwa nga till ni till thumen. Just for the sake of knowing, head may make a comment. Ani na to practically work on your knowledge. Na head na suso na dinga, na head ka angajan, na head na hi min nandam long le, na say chin thay na dinga head angajan. Hisile wala sa head angajan. Otherwise, na lo enjoy lo di. You discuss platform, any platform yung le, discussion point yung le. Deputy Commissioner pa to hiyong le, ZEO pa to hiyong le, CO pa to hiyong le, whoever, when like any level not help you should be able to convince. Convincing power, it isn't head na nanay taka aso, me zolo, do it is a say no. And if you're a leader, you should have that knowledge. Yes, the two knowledge is power. This you say no. Yeah, so Aristotle, Weber, Vivekananda, Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, international thinkers and Indian philosopher hoyong le. Education, ase ki peno chu, number one, self-reliance. Education means you should be self-reliant. Nang marke na din jo le. Number two is complete being. Mihim hin Please nothing set na education to na day la ka. If you're MA yan PhD chayan lang, BA chayan lang if you're immature, please na you are not getting the right education. Yeah, so education means all round development is na. It is in public dealing ayong you should be able to know the opposite person. Opposite person ang along so nahet ang ayong. So then, when you come in contact with when you talk to your peers, your colleagues, when you speak to senior officers, you should be able to comprehend. It's an all-round development. What is education? Education means to bring out good human beings. Mihim pa, mihim lungsang pa, or good human beings, in simple words, sab pawin hilsian joy na. Good human beings hinatay din at education. So to have skill. Education means to have skill. Ipilang pihilong le. Skill at ikipale, it covers so many vast length ahe. Speaking skills ang women, doing skills ang women, thinking skill or interaction skill, any kind of skill. Education is also your inborn quality. IPNPC na patinin ipi pa so umna. So si brush up bowling, su thinga color mga pin bola, su hoy sa maintain na tinga so education dahil sa umna ka. Okay. Yes, so niya so are we president mo na so are we getting the real education? Tu na hi college kaya ngan master's ngan research bolong in may. But are we getting the right education? This is It's also when you get that right education, it's just in part le main so na ako na ahong wa pa you are sharing it out. Nang mai imasa wa amlo le how will you sign? Itinaw ajo di hom. Yes, so first priority is yes, so leaders. It was all say si na head na say top priority. May to you to hold you here to no so nga number 1 point. Isay masakit no he. Ai le to hin youth eho leadership imo no so 2 Timothy 2:15 chun trong cha cha point kan la he gun chun pon pen no bo do se chun gun chun pon pen hard work with diligence gun chun pon pen za cha na de hiel na tong mi hi not ashamed of doing job. Leaders means gun chun ta pon pen ta ana to de za cha na be hiela na tong mi hi ngai ke so leader hi ai thu ta chu di ke chan hom jale word of truth thu ta chu di ke cha hom jal phat na cho hom jal share lo di he chu tu nya e hon ke so leader han ichi pi wa ke pu di wa ka di he Is in Hebrew 11:26 achun Mosi chu Aigupta gam chu gojo se chu adaha chu sangin Krista hosat na chu chung nung zon again le hi is chun aman to phatman asan ding lam jing chu again hi Mosi chu sin chu he no sula in Egypt lempa khona hung khanglena getting all the benefits and the pleasures of Egypt's kingdom. Ahi wanga Israel tegan theina pa chu amu pha na chu hisia Aigupta gozo se sa na chu he was willing to take sacrifice for his people. Ami hoding a chu ama hisi gozo se chu nopsa na yo se chu da ha Israel gan theina yo se ten tang chu risala he is not knowing where he should be going, like Abraham. Mosi ang sisi he. Tunya cahit abang aso, ke solang kayo sehin, ke solang kay kapana hele, gentay na tua kapanding hit yahi, hisilis sa sun iway kung kadi fenomen he. Not ke solang kay kahile in kakisado ading he. Somewhere benefit kamuding he he. This should not be the agenda. Agenda chu ipiham dale ke so lang kai kapu sung ka hi kagam sule kanam sunga dinga thudi thuta or some changes ipikan po do dham you have to be willing to sacrifice nang manup sa na na chanding za ham kha hi sacrifice bol napsa leadership role hin ala alowa hele we will not progress nang bo na progress in nang pi progress lo ding hi ya he leadership means sacrificing yourself for the benefit of people. Hichi balance you should be very clear. Mi tong ta in achi masa chun ke hotam lai chinjong loi mi phasa khachu to get benefit of government. Ke solang kai kana government officer chi deputy commissioner to kimu officer or directorate or ipifam to kimu to take their own benefit. Hichi lungthim pualang kai government. Ken kare want to hilo ding he tu na if any one of us hichi dum tim po chu mu wa le is chu ila do dio mosi ta banga chu hichi nopsat na ho le si thil ngai sat na ho hi la do kagam sungen thei na hi where can I share ipyam kana ka pan them pum kana ka pan them ti lung tim po ichi de ti he tu nin lam kai ho kan ti kho na no me he now a chai na lang hun tao te Youths are responsibility as leaders. Education had to say tavin. Future to ipiham. To ituk mulai do yohi. There are so many other things. Separate administration yung maintain, autonomous body yung ipipang tao maintain. That is the larger picture. Chong su hidi. Hisi vision yung sumubi. Ahin iho context sa ating at ipiham. apart from education no chu iti hoisa dam to chu high school izat umtam gam sunga chu higher secondary izat po do the umam either existing school ho hi how do we function ti hi we have to keep our visions very clear tunia hi ke so vision ne na kan hi it's a vision there where there is no vision people perish mu chin na om lo na gam sunga sun mi pi among the hi tina ya hi in society be it cooking p be it kca be it keso vision clarity on zero pha la hin ito ading atiboyen aboy na hin atiboyen we are not progressing laysit nitin hi itina ma yung le nitin buin ho hi it will come and go jing ding hicho lo winam hi rekta again keso kusung tam na lam ka hosen what is your vision you should put few visions very clear hicho ho chu hilanga aboy yam yang le aboy chu apha du ya che bod but it should not disturb our vision ilung tuk mo na dinga chu hichi temporary boy no ho chu issue boy lo de hi na vision chu inei lo wai le ipha itam hong ke chu a temporary boy no ho yo si chun ipha mo should mangding at the end of your tenure you won't be able to give any good progress to chu tam ta chu na sei dio te is an answer ke chen but what is the result oriented you that is you say no na ya so daily apha na sepe ho tong ki bo yentin aka ale group khatang ki bo yentin that temporary problems will come and go phat se on this ai wa as a term to suna begin make some of your visions very clear ibodo siu chu block hijang le block in the vision needing district in the vision needing is it any coordination so I ta to partner you will be very successful now our youth our responsibility as a care leaders number one is social empowerment zarang ki loi khom na suhat sa ipan the liu hung ngai hi social empowerment social problem hong phat le you should be there as a leader and say yes problem yang su road map yang pi yo ma yan hi ya hi zarang ke wai hom na hat sa ana ikan di hi innovation and creativity number 2 khang tha kiti ho hen you have more creativity than ke ho sa ayo no creativity na ho diu innovation yang lung yal tha alo legam sungai pi ke bono la bai dam pi hi as time pass sociologists ta ma chi dham tala society is dynamic ti so na society kiti he nisya nang na dok na da lawa change so ya he it keeps on changing ya so sociology actually basically the only thing that is constant is change one no ile na akikhel thailo pen chu kikhel na so he ya so nang nom na chun da la chun kikhel na so ji he chi kikhel na chu ipa ho chu hang ha sa to accept that change you ho no kam ha sa de but you as a present leader no so kikhel na tin tam jo si chu mobile tha ang jong le you will be able to easily adapt computer tha ang jong le you will be able to adapt to AI artificial intelligence ang jong le ki ho sa no han kam ta na the de aji chu is a mindset chun innovation and creativity chu khandon te hung ju ga chu that is with you as chu kum ang han ta dung ya chu has elasticity chu receptive power chu a han chu mang chi che ya chu creativity and innovation lung thim tha thil tha po do na thil kha chom bol do na thane na chu no ho ma hong ya chu tha po do gam sunga dinga nam sunga dinga ho bunga dinga nam pya dinga gam sunga dinga what can if you change them po do it depends on you no innovation no creativity number 3 you are a backbone society ada kumbul tak tu nahi kumpi tak tu nahi yes don't undermine your power jo ini apa kata ini le yellow beauty you can play very big role very important role na ni eti so once again naki jaya na he so no hin you can show future kunuding lampi so no ko na umani you can saw our future kyo ho sa nan ho ko na umani hi so hinten so le achai na ka se nom so as a year you can be a contributor and not a burden gam sunga dinga nam sunga dinga po gi nei ka mi wang sa ta nei de sometimes leaders can be also a burden na lam kai ki yo hi po thiam lo wa nam sunga dinga burden ke he he so na ki me chi ge he there is a two na if you are a burden society dinga no wa na pai dinga if your leadership is a burden you have to rethink lam kai pha chu good leadership can never be a burden to his colleagues to his friends yes ke hi kalam kai na ke asolam kai ke hi na if my friends are always talking about me ke bo se thua ke se ya se pa ji ta hi munjo se chi ne de ke bo king munjo se decision na ne de ke se pa ta ja la ke na thei lo he ti kha na kha ne you have to think that means you are a burden to leadership na yeah so lo sam ne ho se bu ho se ai lo le mi promo ho se society burden hello sometimes leaders can be also a burden na lam kai la ang so loi pai da pu gi ta ki the so yeah so if you are a leader always be in the contributing side, not on the burden side. Nah, yeah, so has a contribution putting the open umzing. So, outside na nga as a role of youth, role of care. So he na no open so is here. Hey, so hampin education say tawin theory, philosopher's perspective, Christian perspective. So le gunsu ta kan ding dan to. Zasat na behela ha to ato ding so le thuta home sharing the truth na thuta phati ke cha home jalpa leader hi ke ding ti ho hi tingai provin lang and what is our future now adu ta any country this is 2021 all international youth conference theme any country is determined by its youth power of youth here he dunia China the population sanwanga India the agi sat no pem the youth force is more in India than China here so youth force atama lesun lekasim team no tam ta more engineers more doctors more intellectual group some more scientists tam ta isilanga su ding hi aso that is now the power of India Indian power and depends so youth power tam nei ken in the world this atutia hele if a Kuki society or Chandel district Chandel district le kana khengjo I ha le diu su koi kuna tingam ta le it depends on you iho ke so you the ho le you ho kana ang tingam so ya so tuna hi Chandel district Kuki ho ha samai le no ko samne this na ki ya because any society is determined by the power of its youth yeah so nam khan ko hin ho ko na ang tin ka yeah so nam ti dinga na yo se na he na bol thei na hat na nei na go na mel phai na everything you should bring consolidate bol ko ma ho district kan to na iman sa diu ti su say no de tun sele isa to kelona so alhang pin e ho hi phung da chang ni chevin but ke so leadership sunga hi ahi na thei sana phung da chang nga ise lo ri say no pen go by your quality not by your identity your identity pathen isim pi ya that is kikyalon kikyal thei lo pi ai wa ngalung set ten phung da chang ke sa pi lo in if one person is good see his quality in chief ka say ko na so phung da chang ai chi pha le you miss target in this giving. Ilol hin thei bangin akelol hin lo jipon. So as far as practicable, kham tha se hen time to forget, time to forsake. Phung le sang thu hi leadership ma pu lo lo ding ta dei pe ne na. So if no hola khat su if is good driver use him as a driver. If is good in communication use him as communicator. Mi khat su good in thinking idea poro ai wa sei do thelo so but agenda is very good na it's not the most important na le agenda na po do form you say so it can be the president or it can be anybody na say do on yes teamwork any leadership is called teamwork. Yes, when teamwork fails, no matter president ha jong le adam coordination api lo wa le ha lo hi or adam education secretary no secretary parliament na ha tong non jong le general secretary parliament aloi ho colleague han cooperate api lo wa le how will that be successful na this is example I share any agenda sum hol na is to hit yes so your team cooperation is very very important. Yeah, so unity united we stand, divided we fall. Okay, so yeah, so at this period of time, in Nampio, something like that, when we are looking forward to something constructive, our external forces look na issue sila come ta ondon. It's like Nampio level ke well, let us expect the best for Nampio also, and at the end, Sunday district alam ka ho. Ilung tutan block hon district ho. Give them respect, give them their due. So let district hon jong the block ho kanuk no hinakati ho sungai to lo due. Like you should oversee their leadership role. Aha samwala ne ke thopi due. Asi walwa le you need to guide them. Hiti asu ki ja to hilala ai lo le ina to de hi ke to ai ya de hi agenda tanta tunin hichi bolo te tichu assembly na sei dio he ai wa as ha chung khat kamu na ka chu I cannot thil jong si chi na bol dio hichi na to dio ti ken sei te pon hi jong de ahang pe as a leader iman seno ilung thimo iko hei da no iko sa da no ilung put da no hi a leadership like nature in a way so mainly maturity le in a dio iloi pa lungya li pihamti. We have to understand, and so far soon na paita ito dio hi dichu kasi kan say no tin sule atsai na keso kahe na pena keso lang kai di tahin po they never Allah hilokin kahe na po ni ha 99% 100 wang katepon 95 to 99% keso lang kai paita lunglut ta with commitment in pohi pathin blessing apete I name anybody to ayang general headquarter standing committee ho ta ke lam kai la ya yung service mo lo standing committee ho later on they are all pathin service apisu kelin service pe hi yung in whatever ato na lam lama they are all successful na ipia ka seham katya le ke so lam kai hi it is mission na to tabanga to ang ayat ka say no pathin na to se so it is not pathin kilhana na to ka ay na I hi wangin social work kati hi you are not paid lo na san lo pi so but you are running after all the problems hichi boy no jo si chu yo ha hichi pi atu ta le pathin ang monget ti he na chu han ta le nung lu ta in lo ka sei nga commitment nei ta sacrificing your personal gain for public hichi lung put chu ina ya le at the end of the day God will always bless e hola sei dinga Sunday district nga sei dinga yung I can name min pha thei ngan chu na le thang le hiza hautin khu ya mangsa ho ya or any other na block ma ya so commitment nei ka ana tong ho yo se chu pathin and blessing of the ke na le adam is also the officialization official lo ya oza musu ke loy or if it government na to it's a to young in their own adventure but in Lord in God is guiding them na but in appeasing it to behave in he suggestion to nia last aka say nom chu number 1 phung le chang ji in leadership a hin phung le chang pu yap sa ko te let us come as a team. Number 2, as a KSO leader, our mission should be very clear, and then sacrificing self, more sin. I go tagam nupsat na jo seda nga chu to han jo personal gain sana ku igam sungle inam sunga de commitment ni ta ichi dio hi ti ka sei no me hi su ji bo ba that God's blessing pathin that the bo chu san te hi then atsai na mongen ha chon happy hi KSO leadership le judo hi exam ka am che form tan I wish ho don po te wang su sei ha